Hello everyone, I'm Menzer, the Agile customer for this project. I will be leading today's user role modeling workshop for our project of food donation and surplus management platform. But before we begin, let's quickly introduce each other to ourselves.
Hi, I'm Parmila, a developer focusing on backend development, and I will be helping to ensure our system data flow and API design support all user need.
Hi everyone, my name is Hur Hassan, a developer focusing on front end and user interface. My role in this project is to make sure the platform is designed to be simple, clear, and accessible for all kinds of users. Since many of our users may not be very comfortable with technology, I'll focus on building screens and workflow that are easy to navigate and reduce confusion.
Hello, I'm Rumi. I'm the developer responsible for database and reporting.
I am Ibrin, a developer working on system integration.
Okay, great to meet you guys. And I will guide us through identifying and consolidating user roles for our platform. Let's start by brainstorming about all the possible user stories of our project. But please, I want to remember that during brainstorming, no suggest roles without any discussion, justification, or criticism. Let's focusing on generating as many roles as possible, and that will be great for today's meeting. Let's start.
I think restaurant donor and charity representative.
What I think for potential roles, I would suggest grocery store donors since many stores will have surplus food to share, and individual recipients because families or single individuals might need support directly.
Okay.
I would suggest household donor and monitor.
How about delivery coordinator, auditor, and platform administrator?
Okay, I think that's great for beginning. I'll just add all the user stories for us to be more easier for to discuss about it. And okay, these are our user stories. And that's great from your side. We have a comprehensive list right now. And now let's organize these roles into the cluster to be easier. Let's work together to group these roles based on similarities and their performance. What clusters do you suggest?
I think we can group all the donors together, like restaurants, grocery stores, and households, since they share the same goal of donation surplus food. I think.
Okay.
When we group the rules, I think recipients should include both charities and individuals because they represent the people directly benefiting
Okay.
from the donated food. Both
Mm-hmm.
groups share the same overall goal, I guess, and accessing food quickly and reliably, but they may prefer
Okay.
in scale and frequency of use.
Okay.
Um, Oversight and support might include volunteers and delivery coordinators and also auditors.
The
Okay.
platform administrator is the system host.
Okay, like delivery and auditors. in one, and platform administrator. Okay, as system role. Okay, that's great. Does everyone like agreed on these clusters, or you have any suggestions maybe?
No, it's perfect.
Yeah,
Okay.
I agree.
Sounds
Same.
good to me. Yep.
Okay, great. Now let's consider these roles to simplify our model. I propose combining donor types into one donor role, and recipient types into one recipient role, but keeping administrator platform as is, and merging volunteer, monitor, and auditor in the one group. Maybe we can call them monitor cluster or volunteer cluster. What's your thoughts?
I agree with the consolidating donor role.
I also agree with the merging similar roles, combining the donors into one group and the recipients into another will make our system easier to design and maintain. Yeah, that's from my end.
I agree with merging the oversight rules.
I agree with the proposed consolidation. Sounds good.
Okay, great. We have consensus of four. We have four primary roles. And now let's discuss the details of each roles a little bit, including frequency of the use, domain expertise, computer and software preferences, and also user goals.
Um, I think donors like restaurants, groceries, they will use the platform weekly, while the households might donate occasionally. They already know a lot about the food handling and anything else, but they are mostly new to this software. So they will need a clear and simple donation process to do. Their main goal is to convince to reduce the food waste, and our design should make the posting donation quick and easy to the customers.
So for me, I feel like recipients like charities usually use the platform very often,
Yeah.
daily or at least a few times in a week, because they need a steady supply of food to help with their communities. And I also feel like individuals, on the other hand, might only use it once in a while, maybe when they are going through a tough time. Charities often have like staff or volunteers who are more familiar with technology, while some individuals may not be as comfortable using computers or apps. That's why I feel like it's so important that the platform is really simple and easy to use. At the end of the day, their main goal is just to get food quickly and reliably without having to struggle with the system. That's from my end.
Okay.
I believe monitors and volunteers use the system as needed. They have medium domain knowledge, basic computer skills, and aim to validate listings and support users.
Okay.
Administrators use the platform daily. I think they have advanced system knowledge and software skills. They also manage accounts and ensure fairness, also maintain transparency and integrity, system integrity.
Oh, okay. I think it was very good meeting workshop for our user stories. Unfortunately, Bruno was absent from today. Will be great. It will be great to hear his suggestions also. But for today, this concludes our Russell model workshop. And thank you for all your participation and collaboration on today's meeting. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
Thank you. Bye bye.